Moving soon but worried about the cost? A tight budget does not mean your move has to be a disaster. With the right planning and smart choices, you can keep expenses under control. One of the best ways to save money is to plan ahead. Booking early gives you more options and helps you avoid last-minute fees. Being flexible with your moving date can also lower costs, especially if you move on a weekday or during the off-season. Another big tip is to reduce how much you move. Declutter before packing and get rid of items you no longer need. Fewer belongings mean lower moving costs and less work on moving day. You can also save by packing yourself. Collect free boxes from local stores, use household items like towels for padding, and label everything clearly to stay organized. If hiring movers feels expensive, consider hiring them just for heavy lifting while you handle the rest. Comparing quotes is important too. Prices and services vary, so getting multiple estimates helps you find the best value without sacrificing reliability. Moving on a tight budget takes effort, but it is absolutely doable with a little planning and flexibility. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com, and also you can email us at contactus@movers.com or call us at 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.